Welcome to all in SV Union High School and Junior College, presented by Mrs. Vaishali Jadhav.
Hello students, today we are going to study Standard 6 Maths, lesson number 9, HCF and LCM. This is last lesson of first semester. Children, we have taken lot of effort to prepare this video, so you will observe each and every part of this lesson videos till the end. Children, please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's begin with our lesson. In this we are going to study first. Let's recall. In this we have to see what is divisor and what is dividend. I have written on a blackboard one example. 36 is divided by 4. Now we have to say the table of 4 till 36. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, like this till 36. 4 9s are 36. So let's write here 9, 36. As usual in division we have to subtract this number. So what is remaining here? 0. Now we have to write down in this why I have drawn these arrows to write certain words. What does it mean 36? 36 is a dividend. 36 is known as dividend, whereas 9 is known as quotient. 9 is known as quotient. By which number we are dividing to the dividend is known as a divisor. So let's write here divisor. And whatever is left out is known as remainder, or whatever remains is known as remainder. Children, do you all understand this? Students, now let's see. When we divide this number 36 by 4, the remainder is 0. Therefore, 4 is known as a factor of 36 and 36 is a multiple of 4. Therefore, 36 is divisible by 4. Student, let's study one more example related to the same concept, dividend and divisor. Now here we have to divide number 65 by 9. Okay, now let's start saying the table of 9. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, 9 7s are 63. So 7. Let's write here 63 because in the table of 9, 65 is not there. So we have to choose such a number which is close to 65. That is why we have chosen number 63. 9 7s are 63. Now let's see 5 minus 3, 2, 6 minus 6, 0. Now as usual in the previous example, what I told, this 65 is a dividend. 65 is a dividend. 7 is a quotient. 7 is a quotient. And by which number we are dividing the dividend is known as divisor. Whatever is remain or whatever is left is known as remainder. So in this example 2 is the remainder. See students, now when we are dividing this 65 by 9, what is the remainder? 2, which is not 0. Therefore 9 is not a factor of 65. Also 65 is not a multiple of 9. So 65 is not divisible by 9. Students, now let's study how to write the factors of 36. Factors means what now? In which all tables number 36 is there and in which all tables number 48 is there. Now one we have to write because 1 is applicable for all. 1. Then as on unit place digit is 6, so it is divisible by 2, divisible by 3. 4 9s are 36, then 6 6s are 36, Yes, in the table of 7 it is not there. 8 ones are 8, 8 fours are 32. No, it's not there. Yes, 9 fours are 36. Then 12 threes are 36. Right? 18 twos are 36 and the table itself 36 ones are 36. So these all are the factors of 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. These all are the factors of 36. Now let's study factors of 48. One, as I already told, we have to write on unit place digit is 8. It means this number is divisible by 2. So let's write here 2. Then which all tables? Yes, 4 plus 8. We have studied test of divisibility by 3. So 4 plus 8, 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So the number 48 is also divisible by 3. Write here factor 3. Then of course 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So it is divisible by 4 also. Then 5, no 5 in the table of 5 number 48 is not there. Then yes 6. 6 8s are 48. 8 6 are also 48. In the table of 9 this number is not there. 10, 11 not possible. 12 4s are 48. Then 24 twos are 48 and 48 itself. So which all are the factors of 48? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24 and 48. Now children, let's write common factors of 36 and 48. So I'll write over here common factors of 36 and 48 is equals to, what we'll have to do? Underline these numbers. 1 is common for both. So write common 1. Then 2, underline the digits. 2 is common for both the numbers. Then yes, 3 is common for both the numbers. 4, yes, 4 is common for both the numbers. Then 6, yes, 6 is common again for 36 and 48. Then is there any number? Yes, 12 is there in both the numbers. So what is the common factor again? 12. So for number 36 and 48, common factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Is it clear to you all? Students, now in that revision we have studied how to find out factors and how to find out from that common factors of two given number. So based on this we have to study practice set 23. So let's see the question. Write all the factors of the given numbers and list their common factors. So here we have got first example 12 and 16. So let's write factors of 12. As it is 1 we are going to write, yes, 2 6 are 12, then 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12 and 12 1s are 12. So what are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now let's write the factors of 16. 1, then on unit place digit is 6, so it is divisible by 2. 4 4s are 16. Then 8 2s are 16 and 16 ones are 16. Now we have to write common factors. So let's write, therefore common factors of 12 and 16 are, so underline or circle. We can circle also common factors. 1, then next is 2, then 3 is there, it's not there. So 4 is common. Right? Now 6 is here, 6 is not factor of 16. 12 is factor of 12, not factor of 16. So only that's it. Only 1, 2 and 4. These are factors of, common factors of 12 and 16. Students, let's study the second example of the Same practice set 23. We have to write here factors of 21 and factors of 24. So 1 we are going to write. On unit place digit is 1, which is odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. 2 plus 1 3. Yes, 3 is divisible by 3, so 21 is also divisible by 3. Then next, in the table of 4 it is not there, 5 not possible, 6 not possible. Yes, 7 3s are 21 and 21 is divisible by 21 itself. Now we are going to write factors for 24. On unit place, 1 we have to write compulsory because 1 is a factor for all the numbers. On unit place digit is 4, so it is divisible by 2. Then 3 because 2 plus 4, 6 is divisible by 3, so 24 is divisible by 3. Then 4 ones are 4 6 are 24, 6 4s are 24, then 12 2s are 24, 24 ones are 24. So what are the factors of 24? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 and 24. So let's write common factors. Common factors of 12 and 21 are 1 is common. Then 3 is here, 3 is here. So 3 is common. Then 7 is not factor for 24, 21 is not factor for 24. So only 2 common factors we have got for 21 and 24, that is 3, 1 and 3. Alright? Student, let's study example number 3. We have to find out factors of 25 and 30. So let's write factors of 25. 1 is common, 1 is applicable for every number. Now 25 on unit place digit is 5, so it is divisible by 5 and 25 ones are 25. So number 25 is having only 3 factors, 1, 5 and 25. Now let's write factors of 30. 1. On unit place digit is 0, so it is divisible by 2. Now 3 plus 0, 3. So 30 is divisible by 3. By 4 not possible. Yes. 5 6 are 30. 6 5 are 30. Then 7, 8, 9. This number 30 is not there in that table. Now 10 3s are 30. 15 2s are 30 and 31s are 30. So what are the factors of 30? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. So let's write common factors of 25 and 30 are, which are the common factors? 1. Only 1 is common. Next 5. Yes, 5 is common again. Is there any other number? No. So what are the common factors of 25 and 30 are 1 and 5. Is it clear to you all? Students, let's study example number 4. We have to write factors of 24 and 25. So let's write factor for 24. 1. On unit place digit is 4, so it is divisible by 2. Then 2 plus 4, 6. So yes, it is divisible by 3. 4 6 are 24. 6 4s are 24, then 12 2s are 24 and 24 ones are 24. Now factors of 25 are 1, unit place digit is 5, so divisible by 5 and 25. So let's write common factors of 24 and 25 are 1 is common, then 2 is there, not there, 3 is there, not there, 4, 5, no, nothing. So what is the common factor? Only 1 is the common factor of 24 and 25. Students, let's start solving 5th example, which is last example of this practice set. What are the numbers given? 56 and 72. So let's write the factors of 56. 1, then 2. Why? Because on unit place digit is 6, so it is divisible by 2. Then 10. What is the test of divisibility by 4? On tens and unit place the digits are completely divisible by 4. Then the number is divisible by 4. You can cross check using such a actual division. 4 ones are 4, remainder is 1, take down 6, 4 fours are 16, so what is remainder? 0. Yes, it means this number 56 is divisible by 4. Alright? 7 8s are 56, then 8 7s are 56. Again, number 56 is in the table of 14. 14 fours are 56, 28 twos are 56 and 56 ones are 56. Now let's find out factors of 72. 1. Then on unit place digit is 2, so it is divisible by 2. Now 7 plus 2, 9. 9 is divisible by 3, so 72 is also divisible by 3. Then yes, by 4 also, 4 ones are 4, 3 remainder, 4 8s are 32, so remainder will be 0, so yes, it is divisible by 4. Then 8 in the table of 6 also, by 6 also it is divisible. 6 ones are 6, remainder will be 1, number becomes 12. So 6 twos are 12, your remainder will be 0, so it is divisible by 6 also. Then 8 nines are 72, 9 eights are 72, then 18, again it is divisible by 24. 36 twos are 72 and 72 ones are 72. So let's write common factors. Common factors of 56 and 72. So what is common? 1. Then 2 is also common. Is 3 there? No. 4 is there. So what is the common number again? 4. 8 is common. Then 14 is not there. 28 is not there. No other number is common. So which all are the common factors of 56 and 72? 1, 2, 4 and 8. Alright? So I hope so children, you all must have understood this practice set in detail very clearly.